Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Gochugaru Flakes is probably one of the most versatile ingredients you can have in your kitchen. These vibrant red flakes are the heart and soul of Korean cooking, infusing dishes with a unique blend of sweet, smoky, and subtly spicy flavors. From kimchi to stews, Gochugaru adds depth and complexity that elevates every bite. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this is a must-have ingredient. Number 5. NONGSHIM Taekyung Gochugaru Chili Flakes. This is authentic Korean chili powder, perfect for making kimchi and other Korean dishes. It's a key ingredient for bringing the true taste of Korea to your home cooking. Use this coarse Gochugaru flakes to create delicious kimchi and other Korean favorites. It's ideal for dishes like spicy stir-fried pork and Korean barbecue. Experience the regular spicy flavor with a Scoville heat unit of around 4,500. It's a basic ingredient for many Asian recipes. Try it and bring the authentic taste of Korea to your kitchen. This seasoning contains only 100% red pepper, with no added MSG or additives. It's a kosher product, and it's also vegan and gluten-free. You can trust the quality of this product. The proprietary grounding process is carried out in South Korea. The peppers are cultivated on Taekyung's farm in China. This process ensures a premium product. Taekyung is one of the oldest condiment brands in South Korea. This iconic spice is enjoyed by millions. It is a brand owned by NONGSHIM, the largest noodle company in Korea. What we like? This Gochugaru is an authentic Korean seasoning, made with 100% pepper and processed in South Korea. It's perfect for anyone looking to bring the true taste of Korea to their home cooking. If you are looking for a reliable and traditional choice, you should consider this. What people say. This chili powder brings an authentic and vibrant flavor to my dishes that is hard to match. The texture is perfect, not too fine and not too coarse, making it easy to incorporate into various recipes, whether I'm making a marinade, a stew, or just adding a sprinkle to spice up a dish. It has a balanced heat that adds a pleasant kick without overwhelming the palate. There's also a subtle smokiness and sweetness to it that enhances the complexity of the flavors in my dishes. Number 4. Taekyung Chili Powder, Flake, 7 ounces, Korean Gochugaru. This is Taekyung chili powder, perfect for making kimchi and other Korean dishes. It comes in a convenient bottle, ready to add a kick to your cooking. Use this coarse Gochugaru to create authentic flavors in your kitchen. It's ideal for dishes like spicy stir-fried pork and Korean barbecue. With a Scoville heat unit of around 4,500, this seasoning provides a balanced level of heat. It's a great base for many Asian recipes, bringing the taste of Korea to your home. This product is made with only pepper, with no added MSG or additives. It's a kosher seasoning, vegan, and gluten-free, ensuring you can trust the ingredients. It is also known to provide full of nutrients with a number of health benefits. The chili powder is processed in Taekyung's GMP ISO certified factory in South Korea. The peppers are cultivated in China with Korean pepper seeds to ensure the quality. Taekyung is one of the oldest condiment brands in South Korea. This Gochugaru is enjoyed by millions around the world. It is a brand owned by NONGSHIM, the largest noodle ramen company in Korea. What we like? This product comes in a convenient, portable bottle, making it easy to use and store. It is an authentic Korean seasoning, made with 100% pepper. If you are looking for a convenient and authentic option, you should consider this. What people say. This chili powder brings an authentic and vibrant flavor to my dishes that is hard to match. The texture is perfect, not too fine and not too coarse, making it easy to incorporate into various recipes, whether I'm making a marinade, a stew, or just adding a sprinkle to spice up a dish. It has a balanced heat that adds a pleasant kick without overwhelming the palate. There's also a subtle smokiness and sweetness to it that enhances the complexity of the flavors in my dishes. It's particularly great for making kimchi, bulgogi, or any Korean-inspired dishes that call for a bit of heat. Number 3. Crazy Korean Cooking Gochugaru Korean Red Pepper. This is a non-GMO, kosher, and gluten-free Korean red pepper powder. It's made with premium sun-dried red chili peppers, ensuring the highest quality. This product is perfect for adding authentic Korean flavor to your dishes. The pepper flakes have a coarse grind, perfect for adding texture and flavor. The product comes in a convenient 6-ounce bottle, easy to use for all your cooking needs. It is great for making kimchi, Korean seasonings and Korean barbecue marinade. This product contains no salt, fillers, or artificial dyes. You can be sure that what you're getting is pure, natural flavor. This allows you to control the ingredients in your cooking. It is OU kosher certified and non-GMO project verified, meeting high standards of quality. The product is produced using high food manufacturing standard processes. It is a safe and reliable choice for your kitchen. Avoid direct sunlight and store in a cool, dry place. Once opened, seal it tightly and refrigerate or freeze for best quality. Sprinkle it on any food like pasta, pizza, tacos, and soups. The product comes in a convenient BPA-free bottle with a dual shake or pour cap. The best by date is indicated on the bottom of the packaging. It is designed for ease of use and long-lasting freshness. What we like. This Gochugaru is non-GMO, kosher, and gluten-free, with no additives. It's perfect for those who prioritize health and quality in their ingredients. If you have dietary restrictions or prefer natural products, you should consider this. What people say. I have made a quick dip for dumplings 1:1 rice vinegar and soy sauce, then as much chili flakes as desired. I have sprinkled the flakes on pizza and scrambled eggs. Its sweet, intense flavor and medium heat add zip to all Korean recipes. This Gochugaru appears to be much darker, maybe double roasted. One other nice thing is that each bottle is full of flakes and almost no powder. Number 2. Chung Gochugaru, 2.2 pounds. This is Chung premium Korean chili pepper powder. It's made from the finest sun-dried red chili peppers, offering a rich flavor and heat. The product is essential for any cuisine. The product is globally recognized for its consistent, clean taste. You'll enjoy the depth of flavor this brings to your cooking. It's a simple way to enhance any dish. The name Biden means silk, reflecting the smooth texture and vibrant crimson color. It's a testament to the quality of the chili flakes. The product adds complexity to any dish. These red chili pepper flakes are a must-have in any kitchen. A dash of this product boosts the overall complexity of flavors in any dish. It's incredibly versatile. Chung is a trusted Korean brand. They are known for their high-quality Korean products. You can rely on the product for authentic flavor. What we like. This Gochugaru is known for its quality taste and smooth texture, representing the finest sun-dried red chili peppers. It is multi-purpose and can boost the overall complexity of flavors in any dish. If you like a versatile ingredient that enhances your cooking, you should consider this. What people say. Fast delivery and wonderful, complex flavor. I've started using it in anything that calls for chili powder. Adds another level of flavor. Use this to make kimchi, works perfect, tastes authentic and good price for the quantity you get. Package keeps it fresh and vibrant. One bag lasts around 6 to 7 months with regular use. I use this in everything. It adds such a smoky flavor to any dish. Chicken, beef, veggies, you name it. Number 1. The Spice Lab Gochugaru Korean Red Pepper Flakes. These Korean chili flakes are truly exceptional. They add depth and richness to any dish, taking it to the next level of flavor and complexity. Try them today and let their unique flavor and texture enhance your culinary repertoire. These Gochugaru flakes are a must-have in your pantry. They are perfect for adding a unique, mild spicy kick to a wide variety of dishes. Whether you're making classic Asian dishes or experimenting with other cuisines, they will elevate the flavor of your dish. With a heat index ranging from 1,500 to 10,000 Scoville units, these red chili flakes are ideal for those who want to add flavor without too much heat. It offers a warm and fruity flavor that won't overpower your palate. The irregular, small flakes create a beautiful texture that enhances the visual appeal of your dishes. Additionally, the vibrant orange to red color adds a pop of color to any meal, making it a perfect addition to your pantry. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a professional, these crushed red peppers will elevate your dishes with their depth and complexity. It's a standout ingredient in any kitchen. Crafted in our USA SQF certified facility, it's kosher, non-GMO, and gluten-free. Prioritizing health, curated without additives. Savor the authenticity of these Korean pepper flakes. What we like. This product offers a mild spicy kick with a warm and fruity flavor. It's also kosher, non-GMO, and gluten-free. If you are a culinary enthusiast looking to elevate your dishes with depth and complexity, you should consider this. What people say. The peppers are not as spiced as crushed red peppers but definitely more flavorful. The spice arrived fresh, and is an excellent addition to so many different dishes. Very fine pepper powder, in a superbly designed shaker. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.